The trial for Jennifer Gledhill has been set finally. Conferences have been set for November, status conference, and then of course they're going to check back on August the 1st on their deadline, and then they'll have the last final pretrial hearing on the 4th of December, which is a Thursday, and on December 8th, 2025, the jury selection will begin. Let's get to this hearing that happened earlier this week. This is a little bit repetitive, so I did trim it down for you guys.
Your Honor, can we call Jennifer Gledhill?
Yes. State versus Gledhill is case ending 2513. Ms. Paulus is here for the state, Mr. Diaz for the defendant. Ms. Gledhill, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Diaz?
Your Honor, we're just looking for trial dates. In speaking with the state, I think we're looking for 7 days.
Including jury selection or in addition to?
Probably in addition to. I imagine jury selection would be a day.
And we're looking at, I think we're being cautious. I think it could be done with less, but obviously both defense and I are concerned that it could take longer than expected. We would rather prepare for extra dates rather than being in a situation that we don't have enough time. But I know that makes it difficult for the calendar. I don't think we're looking to set this until the fall, but I understand looking at your calendar that might be difficult to set those number of days of evidence on your current calendar. I understand that we're going to have to split weeks.
Let me see what I've got available.
And just to know, September, looking at your calendar, September would not work for the state, so we'd look at starting in October.
So if we did the October setting, I can give you 6.5 days because I can do jury selection on the 14th. We'd have the 3 days for the rest of that week. And then I could give you, of the following week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday afternoon.
I think that could work.
That would work. Let me see if that one of my co-counsels is not present, and I'm just going to provide the dates to him.
Okay.
And those work for you? Okay, 1 second. 17, and then those are 3, 24. And he's reviewing those dates right now with his calendar.
Okay.
And those look like they work for, it looks like, sorry, it looks like those dates don't work for the state. We'd have to look at, it doesn't look like you have November dates.
Correct.
So we have that December calendar.
So in December, it would be the week of the 8th. So you get 4 days plus the jury selection, and then we could do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of the following week, 15th, 16th, 17th.
Okay. Those work for the state, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Diaz?
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
Okay, so that's jury selection on December 8th. That's a Monday, 9:30 a.m. We'll schedule the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th of that week, along with the following week, 15th, 16th, and 17th of December. We will do 2 final pretrial conferences. The first one will be, November 6th at 9 a.m. And then the second one will be on December 4th, 9 a.m.
And Your Honor, that November 6th date, as long as WebEx is available.
WebEx is fine. That November 6th date, I'll be looking of, has any offer been accepted or rejected?
We've been extended an offer,
Okay.
but yeah.
But that'll be the date that I'm looking for,
Okay.
kind of a yes
Okay.
or no, are we ready to go forward?
Sounds good.
And that'll help us also winnow down
Yep.
priority.
Again, I'm not going to be in the state of Utah November 6th, so as long as WebEx is an option.
That's fine.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
That's fine. for the state.
Okay. Are you anticipating any pretrial motions?
I
other
imagine
than-
there will be pretrial motions, yes.
Do you want a deadline for those?
The
So
state
that-
would prefer a deadline. I think it just gets us moving things forward, and so I'm fine with a hard cutoff.
I'm open to proposals of how quickly you think you can have things briefed.
And we want to give ourselves time. I mean, the state's preference is to give ourselves time to be able to have hearings.
For sure.
And to be able to keep the December trial date.
Absolutely.
Six months from now, so would that be maybe September? Middle of September? I mean, gives us October, November. I mean, there's a holiday, but
How about August 1st for deadline for pretrial motions?
That's fine.
that works for the state.
Okay, August 1st, deadline for any pretrial motions. And once those are fully briefed, please do a request to submit for decision so that it'll put it on my radar and we can schedule a hearing if needed on any motion. Are there any other dates that we need to discuss?
No, Your Honor.
No.
I don't believe so.
Okay, very good, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
Okay, thank you.
I see.
Ms. Dugan.
If we could recall John Ingram, please.
Okay, well, that wraps that up. Quick and easy, right? This week, we're going to finish up with this snowplow trial, hopefully. Hopefully this week. It's not supposed to, I think the judge had anticipated a week's worth of trial. These people move really slow, though. And then after that, we've got some stuff coming up. I think Morgan Geyser's back in court. They're discussing the conditions on her release. And then I thought I saw one more thing this week. Yeah. Oh, you guys, the Menendez brothers. There's supposed to be some breaking news coming out late in the week on that one as well. So that'll be interesting. Until then, I'm going to be dropping a couple of different videos. Really want to dive into this Scythian, I think is the name of it, the Scythian cult. Ooh. So stay tuned, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and feel free to leave a comment. Have a blessed day.